One of the most important life-changing experience that which I had in my own life with this hospital, SIMS hospital. I'm Vignesh Raja, 36 years old. I had both my hip joints. There was a severe pain noticed in my both the hip joints, and I had been to many other doctors for consultations and everything. We were referred through one of my uncle to this hospital, SIMS hospital ortho department, and of course I just went and checked. The doctor suggested me for the hip replacement surgery. I'm ready to go for the surgery. The surgery happened for the left hip. In my left leg, I was able to bend down. Before the surgery, I was not able to bend down. So by noticing the tremendous impact, the tremendous improvement, so thereon we decided to go for the surgery on the right hip. First day of the surgery, I was been given all the physiotherapy exercises, been walking very well. The mobility and the flexibility has got increased, and I'm able to visualize it. Besides of everything, besides of the treatment, besides of the surgical care and everything, the psychological, the entire staffs are being trained, so they get connected to our pain, they get connected to our the needs and requirements. Even the ward boy are being educated. How do I need to hold the walker? How do I need to use the toilet? How do I need to sit on the chair, sit on the bed? How the entire organization is very systemized. And overall, it feels very good that how my life is going to change. And I'm super happy to be part of an association with the SIMS and SIMS treatment. And I'm super proud, I'm super happy. Thank you so very much.